Hi, this is David, and I will show you how to use the function of unconstrained ordination analysis in JUICE. Open the data you want to analyze. Here you can see I have a dataset of 100 relevance with 227 species, which I already classified using the twin-span analysis, and I will use 4 clusters. And now I want to project the ordination diagram. For the beginning, let's start with DCA analysis. You will choose the option R project, DCA analysis. And here you have several choices. The first, choose graph type. Do you want to show it 2-dimensional or 3-dimensional? Let's start with 2-dimensional projection. If you want to select just several relevance, use this function. And here you can choose the axis which will be shown in ordination analysis. And what to display, species or only sites. Let's for the beginning start with the sites displayed as group labels 1 to 4, which will be connected with spider plot. And let's go to the next folder. Here you can choose the species data transformation. As a default, we are using the square root transformation, which is suitable for percentage data. And here you can choose the function of downweighting rare species. And in the last folder, you might use the environmental variables, which will be projected into ordination analysis. In the left column, you can choose the variables which will be projected as a vector, and on the right one, you can choose variables which will be projected as factor. And if you initialized Ellenberg indicator values using this function, you might directly project them as vectors into ordination analysis. So for the beginning, let's use Ellenberg indicator values and pH. Click on finish. And JUICE will launch our project, and the analysis is rather quick because the data are quite small. You can see the result. The particular plots are displayed as a group numbers, and each plot, each site is connected with the center of the group into so-called spider plot. These are environmental variables, in this case Ellenberg values and pH. What I can do with this figure, I can save it into different formats such as PMP, JPEG and PDF. I can show these figures in a default picture viewer, in this case Picasa, or I can show it in the PDF format, which is quite handy for printing. I can also show the summary, eigenvalues and axis length, and species scores, and also site scores, which can be quite handy, quite easily copied into some spreadsheet for further analysis. Another thing I can do is to copy the figure into the clipboard as a meta file and paste it into Microsoft PowerPoint, modify the figure, and now I will be able to shift different labels and also modify the text of these labels. As well as modify the parameters of different objects in the diagram. can use directly this figure for presentation.